stand by from a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southern Franklin County in central North Carolina, north central Wake County in central North Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado over Wake Forest, or 12 miles northeast of Raleigh, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Youngsville, Wake Forest. If caught in a vehicle as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put leaving your seatbelt on, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses.